सैंड तो ऐसे भी डाल रहे हैं, सॉइल तक के कांटेक्ट में तो है नहीं। तो सैंड में क्या होता है, नहीं होता है, तो क्ले पार्टिकल्स उससे
100 centimeter wide open jute geotextile, 724 gram per square meter, and tensile strength is 25 kilonewton per meter with a porometry range of 200 to 400 micron, thickness 2 mm. And this staple, how the staple has to be done, and the in the cross overlapping portion, that also being given 750 mm spacing. We can reduce to 500 also in some places. 750 means we can reduce to 500 also. So okay, what I was telling, that what happened when the substrate is low to moderate quality, then we require in flexible pavement more thickness of sub-base course and base course also. More thickness we require. Base course also and sub-base course also when subgrade is low to moderate quality of soil. Now what happens? If we use jute geotextile, okay, just we are placing it over the subgrade. Now how it takes the look, how it is actually enhancing the bearing capacity or enhancing the subgrade capacity, that is the question. Because it will be decayed after 1 or 2 years, it will be completely decayed. So actually it generated 2 years decay completely. What happens? Lot of things are happening in the interface. Interface means between the subgrade and the subgrade, between the subgrade and subbase, where jute geotextile separates. So in the interface of jute geotextile and subgrade, what is happening? Particles below the jute geotextile has been restrained to come up. So it will rearrange themselves. Normally if you do not put any geotextile, it will come up like this, and then mixing, and you will not get the exact thickness what you have designed. The thickness will be more actually in reality. What you have designed, not geotextile, thickness will be actually in the road will be more, because soil particles are intruded within the upper layer, and upper subbase also will be included in the lower subgrade. So this will be resisted. This is the function of separation. This is called the function of separation. This separation prevents the particles to be included in the subgrade, or even subgrade particles to be included in the subbase. So there will be filtration. One is separator because it is working as a separator. So it is restrictive. Restrictive to the design. Now second thing is what is happening? How filtration is because soil particles are not able to come out. So they are rearranging their particle arrangement. They are rearranging their particle arrangement within the subgrade mass. Within the subgrade mass, they are rearranging the particle arrangement. So particle arrangement rearranging means there are several size and several weight of particles in the soil. So the heavy particles will be settled down, and the lighter particle will be up. So there will be a interlock thickness that will be created during these 2 years. During these 2 years, interlock thin section will be created. Okay, which will act as a barrier. As a barrier, it will be filtered and it will be much stronger because void will be filled up. In general, what happens? This filter method will not be there in general, in conventional design. But when we are using jute geotextile, there will be filtration in the interface, and this complete top layer will be more strengthened. Now next thing what happens, during rainy season, moisture will be high. So this moisture will be actually, we'll try to lower the capacity of the soil. So it requires drainage. Water will be absorbed and water will pass through. Now in conventional design, this water will drop from up or will collect from the means surrounding environment. Water will be there in the subgrade. You collect the water, so water cannot pass. If you use jute, jute can take 5 times more than its weight of water within it. Okay, so whatever moisture filling in the subgrade, that moisture sucked by the jute and it will be drained laterally. So what happens, and the load will be there, traffic load will be continuing. So repetitive loading will be there in the over the pavement, and these things will be happening in the will also be compacted, and ultimately the soil will gain its original strength. Furthermore, when it is gaining the strength because of accelerated consolidation taken place only because due to the inclusion of Jute Geotextile, then furthermore consolidation is not required, and it happens within 2 years only. From the experiments and the research it has been found, it happens only within 2 years. It will be light traffic, light to medium traffic load. 1 ms it will not, this road I think within next 15 years 1 ms it will not below 1 ms it will be. 10 years of design, I think, then it's all 62,000 something ESWL, equivalent single wheel load. Means 62,000 times that 8 ton of wheel will pass. That is the design. Within 2 years, what are happening? There are four things are happening within the wheel. Separation, it provides the active thickness will be disturbed. Then filtration, it will give the enhanced filter, enhanced means arrangement, interlock arrangement of the soil particles.